Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will create another 3D model using Fusion 360. So let's get started. Click on sketch and choose front plane. Now create a rectangle and give dimensions. And extrude it. Now select this face and click on sketch. Use offset command to create line. Now choose this face and extrude it according to dimension. Once extruded, now choose this face and click on sketch. Offset the lines according to dimension. Now choose extrude and select two profiles and cut out from the body. Then select this face and click on sketch and start making sketch according to the dimension with line command. Create a center line and make it construction. This will be used for mirroring the sketch which we made. Now select the lines which we have to mirror and then select mirror command. Now click on mirror line and choose the center line which we created earlier. Now the profile is mirrored successfully. Now choose extrude command and select the enclosed profile and extrude it to cut from the body. So we have successfully completed our 3D model as per the drawing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Also check out our website for doing engineering calculations with our integrated calculator. Also read our blog for staying updated with latest industry trends. Link is given in the description, so do check it out.